All right, class. Today we're going to talk about something really cool: how plants survive in different environments. Plants can't move like animals, so they need special structures to help them live and thrive where they are. These structures have specific functions that give plants what they need to survive in all kinds of places. We're going to look at examples of these structures and learn how they help plants survive in different environments like deserts, forests, and grasslands. Let's start by talking about one of the most important structures that helps plants: leaves. Many plants have waxy leaves, and the waxy coating on these leaves serves a very important purpose. In environments like deserts, where water is hard to find, plants with waxy leaves can keep water inside their leaves. The waxy layer acts like a shield that stops the plant from losing too much water. This is super important because plants need water to survive, but they can't just walk over to a stream and drink like animals do. So in dry environments, waxy leaves help plants conserve water and stay hydrated. Next, let's talk about roots. Roots are another key structure that helps plants survive, and different plants have different types of roots depending on their environment. In deserts, where the ground is very dry, plants often have deep roots. These deep roots can reach far down into the soil to find water that's buried deep underground. This allows the plant to get water even when there's none on the surface. In contrast, some plants in rainy environments might have shallower roots because there's plenty of water near the surface. So, the structure of a plant's roots helps it get the water it needs, whether it's in a dry desert or a wet forest. Another important structure is the stem. In plants like cacti, the stem stores water. Cacti live in very hot and dry environments, so they need a way to save water for long periods. Their stems can hold a lot of water, and that's how they survive in places where it might not rain for months. These thick, water-storing stems are like the plant's very own water bottles, helping them survive through the driest times. Let's not forget about the flowers. While flowers are beautiful, they're not just for looks. Flowers help plants reproduce by attracting pollinators like bees or birds. Once the pollinators visit the flowers, they help the plant spread its seeds, ensuring the plant can create new life and keep its species going. This is especially helpful in environments where plants are spread out, like grasslands, because pollinators help move the pollen from one plant to another, allowing them to reproduce even across long distances. So, to sum up, different plant structures have special functions that help them survive in their specific environments. Waxy leaves help plants hold on to water in dry places, deep roots allow plants to find water underground, and stems can store water in places where it's scarce. Even flowers play a role in helping plants reproduce and spread their seeds. These are just a few examples of how plants use their structures to survive and thrive. Plants are an important part of any ecosystem, and by using these adaptations, they help keep the cycle of life going in their environments. Now that we know how plants survive in different environments, let's take a closer look at some examples of plants in our area and see what special structures they have that help them live in their environment. Let's see what we can find.